Hi, Amy Alton here from doomandbloom.net and altonfirstaid.com. I'm the co-author of our newest edition of the Survival Medicine Handbook, a #1 bestseller on Amazon. You can also find our special color version on altonfirstaid.com, which includes our exclusive full-color spiral-bound book. Today I'm going to review our multi-person trauma kit for life-threatening bleeding injuries. In natural and man-made disasters, there is the possibility that you are going to have to deal with mass casualties. Studies show that 1 in 5 hemorrhages can be prevented with quick action from those at the scene, and having the supplies at hand will help you save lives. This kit was originally custom designed for a church security team that contacted us, and we put together a solution for multiple people with bleeding injuries. We have since sold it to a number of schools, churches, and police departments. The multi-person trauma kit for bleeding wounds is designed to give you, the Good Samaritan, the ability to stop even arterial bleeding quickly and effectively. The kit includes multiple tourniquets, blood-stopping, Z-fold dressings, compressed gauze bandages, pressure dressings, vented chest seals, and more, and will be useful tools in the battle to stop hemorrhage. One of the most unique aspects of this kit are our step-by-step picture instructions printed on waterproof paper. The simple, easy-to-follow steps are to decrease or stop bleeding from injuries. These instructions can be used by non-medical Good Samaritans who want to help the injured before first responders can arrive. This kit comes in red, black, OD green, and coyote. This kit is excellent for schools, churches, theaters, really any public venue, and even as a car kit. The contents, which I'll show you in a minute, are the instructions printed on the waterproof paper. This kit gives you the choice of 3 hemostatic dressings. You can choose combat gauze, Celox Rapid, or ChitoSam. These products are meant to stop severe bleeding. You also have 3 6-inch emergency pressure bandages, also known as Isreali dressings, which are military grade and sterile. 3- double pack chest seals, which help to seal chest wounds, or halo chest seals. Both are 2 packs. 3 heavy-duty stainless steel bandage scissors to remove clothing and expose injuries. 3 hand sanitizer bottles to clean your hands before you put your gloves on. 24 gloves, which are nitrile non-allergy, large size, and are divided in 3 bags with 8 gloves each bag. 6 face masks, which are blue, surgical, and 3-ply. 6 sterile compressed gauzes, which are 12 feet by 4 inches and are used with hand pressure to stop bleeding by putting pressure on it. 6 sterile roller gauze, which are 6 inches wide and 81 inches long. These are also used to pack into wounds to either stop bleeding or, after bleeding has stopped, to fill up the wound for packing. You have your choice of 2 cat tourniquets, Gen 7, 2 soft T tourniquets, also known as Special Op Forces tourniquet, or 2 SAM XT tourniquets. Your choices of colors in these are black or orange, although the SAM tourniquet only comes in a black or orange combination. You can find videos on all these tourniquets on our YouTube channel at Dr. Bones Nurse Amy. You also get 2 SWAT tourniquets, which are stretchy and best for small arms, children, infants, or large adults, and 3 Mylar blankets to cover injured people and to help prevent shock. You have 2 options. You can add 1 to 3 NPAs, also known as nasopharyngeal airways, or you can add 3 decompression needles. Of course, proper training and education should be obtained to use either of these options. These supplies are all packed in an organized trifold bag. This bag has 3 compartments that fold out and fold up tight and compact. It has a shoulder strap, seen here, a top handle carry strap, and MOLLE straps on the back. It's made of waterproof coated ballistic material and has strong reinforced stitching. The compartments are secured by a military quick release buckle, seen here. Now let's take a look at what's inside. The top opens up, which has a really heavy-duty zipper, unzips. You can unzip all of them. Each section is going to have its own set of supplies for the injured person. You're going to find gloves. Again, there's 8 gloves in the pack. Your Mylar blanket, your Isreali dressing, your hand sanitizer. The front packet has the 2 SWAT tourniquets in it, which are the stretchy tourniquets. Again, watch the video that I've made on SWAT tourniquets to learn how to use them. It's very, very simple. And it has your hemostatic gauze. Of course, that was your choice. The compressed gauze, there's 2 of them in here. The sterile roller gauzes, your chest seals, depending on your choice, and your scissors. And in each pack is a set of instructions, again, depending on the tourniquet that's in the section, you will have the matching instructions. So if you have the SWAT tourniquets in here, you're going to have a set of directions which specifically have the SWAT tourniquet and how to use it. In the second compartment, you're going to have the same deal. You're going to have a military tourniquet this time, just like the third compartment. Your hemostatic gauze, Isreali dressing. Again, the instructions based on the tourniquet that you have chosen. In the pack with all the extra supplies. Each one of these sections is meant for a bleeding injury. If you have 3 different patients, you have 3 different compartments to help stop bleeding. The supplies can be taken to each patient depending on where they're located. If they're all near each other, just divide it up. This is a super amazing kit. I hope you guys will check it out on our store. Again, it is the multi-person trauma kit on altonfirstaid.com. Thank you for watching.